Hey, that's a cool looking XR. Let's check it out. Wait, what? 73 volts? Indy speed control enters the game. Heck yeah. Power, marico, tiene power. This bike is awesome. Welcome everyone to a new video. As you saw before, we're going to test today the XRV PNP battery pack from Indy Speed Control, which is plug and play and is literally the best upgrade you can purchase for your XRV board. Now, if you have not heard of them, Indy Speed Control is a company that provides high performance battery packs for both electric skateboards, Onewheels, and EUCs. They focus on performance, reliability, and quality builds. All of the packs are hand built by Taylor and the team at Indy Speed Control. As you can see on the overlaying video that I'm playing right now, this thing is built like a tank. This company developed and released a plug and play battery pack for the Onewheel XRV, which is a Onewheel XR that has the XRV kit from Floatwheel. Now, if you have an old XR and you purchase the XRV kit from Floatwheel, you can just plug this battery pack onto your board and you will gain speed, range, and performance all at once. Before we proceed, I want to apologize to Taylor from Indy Speed Control because this video should have come out in March. I promised him that I was going to take the pack and get it here within 2 weeks, but I failed to deliver on that. It was my fault and it took 6 months to get here, so it's here today in July. So yeah, I am sorry. That's on me. You should have gotten this video earlier. It was actually a prototype pack and this was supposed to come out before the pack was even released to the public. So yeah, I missed on that and that's my fault. I am sorry. Because of this, we made a test that we didn't mean to do, which is how long can you store this battery pack for, and 5 months give or take, and the pack is not going to be damaged. But yeah, you shouldn't do that. Don't do that. Don't be me. Yeah.
Hi, Gary. Okay, so you're gonna remove this bumper first. If the screws are out, take the bumper off, and then you're going to remove this plate. There we go. Now you're going to remove the back bumper and you can clean it while you're at it. Done. Now you're going to remove this little bracket here. Is that little screw. And then you just pop this right off. That's it. And you're gonna pop this connector off. For that you have to pull this tab back like so, and then you're gonna push on this black thingy and then use a tool like a screwdriver to make some lever thingy action going on here between the controller box and the plug. Isn't that right, Gary? Gary? Yes. Once you remove this from the plug, you just gotta pull the pack backwards and out.
El episodio de hoy de Ingeniería con Gabriel.
There goes nothing.
En nombre del Señor judío.
It works!
Oh my God! Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry.
Unfortunately, due to the whole shipping mishap that I had, I did not get the torque bumper here yet.
so I had to adapt my bank bumper to fit the torque box. You can do that if you have a bank bumper with a color that you like, that you really want to keep using, but my recommendation is don't do that. Just don't. Thanks to my friends Julian and Daniela, we managed to do it in like 4 hours with a Dremel and plastic and cutting, and it was horrible. Just don't do it. Use the bumper that they sent you and go ride. Don't be me, please. Here's my first impression after we finally got the bumper in.
¿Qué vas a hacer?
I'm gonna try it for the first time. Listo.
Ready.
Esto es un peligro, amigo.
¿Ah?
Un peligro.
¿Por qué?
Porque tiene power, marico. Tiene power. Pruébala.
Yeah, that's torque for you.
So first impressions, I went on a group ride with my friends. I let them try it. Before you see, well, I'm gonna show you their impressions first.
Ok, Julián, ¿qué tal la batería de Indy Speed?
La batería se siente que le da más más poder al motor, desarrolla más velocidad, es indiscutible eso. Sigue teniendo un comportamiento muy suave hacia el cambio de atrás y adelante. O sea, esto es demasiado suave, ella responde casi que orgánicamente, es súper orgánico este movimiento. ¿Qué decir de la batería? No pesa, no hace que la tabla sea más pesada. Al cargarla no se siente que sea más pesada que la. Para mí tienen el mismo peso, no se siente más pesada. Quizás pesa un poquito más, pero no lo siento perceptible.
No es algo que te moleste, digamos.
No me molesta. Mirá el torque, mirá. Sube sin necesidad de darle empuje. Que suba sin necesidad de empujarla está buenísimo porque te genera más confianza. Te da muchísima más confianza en que no se va a trabar. Y eso está buenísimo. Y lo más delicado era eso, el peso. Si la batería tenía un peso significativo y no es más pesada, no se siente más pesada. Es un sueño esta batería.
Cool. Gracias.
Okay, so what features this pack has that you don't get with other builders? It comes with safety features such as a fuse charge and discharge for the production unit. It also has a technology that Indy Speed Control developed called self-resetting fuses, which are basically to protect the balance leads in the event of a short circuit across the pins of the connectors on the BMS. They faced this issue before with different light bars, so this is the solution they came up with, and no other pack has this feature, so it's great to have more safety features in your pack. This pack comes with a stock BMS. Another great feature of this pack is that it uses 0.3mm nickel strips instead of the standard 0.2mm nickel strips that other builders use. What does this mean for you as a customer? It means that you have a more robust pack, it can output more current, and it gives the pack a lot of structural stability. This means that this pack is robust and race ready. It's gonna take a beating from you, so you can just, if you want to build a race board with the old XR and the XRV kit that you have laying around, you can do that with this pack.
Entonces, ¿qué te gustó de esta tabla?
De esta tabla me gustó todo. O sea, usuaria de Paint, pero fan de la patineta de Gabo. O sea, yo sé que esta tabla como que la has customizado para ti, pero ha funcionado increíble. O sea, también tiene un perfil que sirve como para todo y con toda la potencia que tiene, es cómoda incluso para tener la confianza de agarrar velocidad rápido. y sin que te dé miedo porque es muy estable, ¿me entiendes?
Ok.
O sea, puede ser que la rueda es más ancha también, o sea, yo comparándola con que soy usuaria de Pine, pero te da mucha más seguridad para tomar velocidad y eso se siente increíble.
Muy bien. Gracias.
This is an 18S2P battery, meaning that the voltage is the same as the Onewheel GT and the Onewheel XR Classic. Now that, if you pair it with the XRV kit, you basically get a GTV board. But you keep the XR frame, the XR ecosystem that you love, so yeah, you're gonna get a lot more performance. What battery cells does this pack use? It uses either P45B or P50B. These are top of the line cells that have a high output current and a lot of range, a lot of capacity. If you choose the P45B option, you will have 583 watt hours of capacity. If you select the P50B, which is the unit that they sent me, you will get 648 watt hours of capacity. Now, if you don't handle these numbers, it means the P50B gets double the capacity of their stock XR, and the P45B is a little over the GT capacity.
En un tronco, pero lo levantó como si... Nada.
¿Qué tal?
A mí me encanta. Me enoja mucho que hayan matado a la XR cuando era cuestión de arreglarle algunas cositas. Es el motor de XR. O sea, el corazón de la tabla es el mismo y sube esa montaña, la baja, no arrastró en ningún momento, no se cayó la punta, no me hizo el haptic bass, no me hizo nada. Lo subió perfecto. Viva la variedad.
We are now testing the Indy Speed battery pack. I'd say it backwards. The Indy Speed battery pack.
This pack is awesome.
This pack is fast, you can go very fast. I hit 25 miles per hour, I think at 80% duty cycle, which is insane. Another thing I like is that the board does not feel as heavy. It does feel heavier, but it feels more stable at the same time. It's not like super heavy. You have a lot of torque. I went uphill in some hills that I had never gone before, which is crazy.
¿Cómo fue?
Brutal. Awesome. Yeah. I couldn't do that with the original pack.
And range, dude, the range gain, that is like the shocker that I'm getting right now. I had never had such a long range board. Going out without a charger is ridiculous. How long does it take to charge? It takes about 3 hours, which is something that I've typically spoken against. I don't like taking that much time to charge a board. However, the range is absurd. Like, the range is so good that I don't think I will charge while I'm riding. Now, take into account that all these first impressions that I'm telling you about, we're in winter here. These were 50 degrees Fahrenheit days. So this is like the worst this pack is going to perform. Okay, so what's next? We have a performance test coming up. We have range test coming up. We're gonna test this board against probably the ADV, and which is the longest range board that we have here in Argentina right now, aside from this one, which might take the throne probably. And yeah, we have a performance test coming up too. We're gonna take this board to the trail circuit here and test it, see how it performs, see if it overheats, see what happens, you know. So if you like this video, just subscribe, like, please, and that helps me tremendously. Thank you for growing the channel. We're over 800 now, which is insane. We started the year at like 300. So thank you for tuning in, and I don't know. See you on the next video. That's it. That's good. I spoke a lot. Oh, coffee. Okay.
Sabía que se podía hacer.
A ver, móvela.
¡Ay, vos también! ¡No puede ser!
Y tú también puedes.
¿En serio?
It's alive!
Soy un Jedi.
It's alive!
No puede ser.
Así.